Alright, so I have here the Vatos RC remote control car, off-road, high-speed, four-wheel drive. This one goes all the way to 25 miles per hour. Let's open the box and let's see what comes in the box. Alright, so we get the manual here. You got the remote, the RC car, battery charger adapter, the charger, screwdriver, Allen wrench, some tools. This one needs 3 2AA batteries. And this one gets 2 rechargeable batteries, 700 milliamps. It says here in the manual, it's not for kids, it's for ages 14 plus. Chassis switch, turn on this chassis switch, which it is on the chassis. This is not the bottom of the car, this is inside under the cover. On and off button, batteries, snap on. Always turn the car on first, and the first time that you turn on the remote, press and hold the bind button and the switch on at the same time. When you're gonna turn everything off, then turn off the remote first, then the car off. So if this happens to you, the car is flipping on the turns, that means you're turning too sharp. Go ahead and adjust this here, this direction. Just lower the amount of the direction. That way it'll turn smoother and it won't flip. Well, the car is pretty fast and it'll climb over anything. Can you help my channel by subscribing? We gladly appreciate it. If you're watching on Amazon, can you press that helpful button under this review? That way I know someone viewed the video. Thank you for watching.